Yeah. Yeah, we got to keep the head on our end in case we got it.
That's what I thought too. I was like, how did they feel like
Yeah. So a lot of the higher level hospitals are in our
Excuse me, what model is this? I'm
Bell
sorry.
407 GXI.
What is it?
A Bell 407 GXI.
So is it like the Hueys or
No, it's smaller.
smaller? And it's a jet
It is
power.
jet powered.
Okay, so what's the thrust, or how would you calibrate
That would be a question for the pilot.
it? Okay, you're one of the EMTs,
I'm the flight guy. Yes.
flight manager. Got it. And your company is
Air Methods,
out of
Skyline.
where is it out of
We're
this?
out at Visalia.
Okay, cool.
That's what you see, man.
Okay.
Like Larry? Skylar, that's the one you see, remember? You were like,
Yeah, they're not dynamic and stable. Where an airplane's let go, it'll just sit there. Helicopter, you let go, it'll just go.
You're the pilot. I'm with Golden State AV Videos. It's a YouTube channel on aviation.
Okay.
So I just wanted to ask you a couple questions about the cruise and the engine and all that stuff. Can you give me a rundown? Tell me who you are. Devlin Carroll, you're the pilot?
Yep.
Okay. And how many hours do you have in helicopters?
I don't even know.
You don't know?
Probably close to about 4,000.
4,000.
Something like that, yeah.
Okay. So, and this aircraft again is, what is it, model? Bell?
Bell 407 GXI.
And so it's a turbine copter.
Turbine, single engine, instrument helicopter.
And what's the payload?
How much?
Yeah.
Just how big a passenger can we take?
Yeah,
Or fuel
yeah.
and passenger?
Well, I'm wondering what you could carry. One patient?
Yeah, we only have one stretcher, so we can only take one patient.
Okay.
Yeah. You can take a patient up to about 300 to 350 pounds.
Okay.
Depending on the
Yeah.
size,
Right.
diameter of the patient.
And then there'd be a nurse on there
We
too?
have a nurse and a medic.
And a medic. Okay.
Yeah.
And then, so what does it cruise at? What do you normally cruise at?
About 120 knots. So
Okay.
about 100.
When you're flying to a hospital, is it low level or?
Yeah, we stay, somewhere between 1,000 feet and 3,000 feet. We really go much higher. Let's say if we're in the hills.
Do you use flight following or you just navigate VFR?
Nah, I don't really like following.
Yeah.
We can fly instrument in this helicopter. It's an
Yeah.
instrument helicopter. So
Yeah.
we'll get like following, obviously, when we're doing that. But for VFR, I don't personally use flight following very much.
Okay.
The controllers have other stuff to do.
Yes.
So I'll listen in,
Yes.
and I have TCAS,
Right.
so I can see other aircraft.
Right.
on my display. So I don't really need them quite as much.
And then what is it? Did you told me the cruise? What's the whole horsepower, the thrust, or what would the proper term be? I'm not even sure. On a helicopter.
It's got 800 and change horsepower engine, but it's derated to like 650 or something like that.
Okay.
For longevity.
Yeah.
So yeah, about it's between 600 and 800 horsepower, depending on what we need to do.
And so, give us the advantage. What does this do that an ambulance can't do? What's the point here?
Well, we get there a lot faster, for one thing, if the patient's critical.
Yeah.
A lot faster.
So time is of the essence.
Yeah, it really is a time is of the essence thing. I mean, we do compatible to what an ambulance does. We are able to give different medications that an ambulance can't do because they have advanced training that we do.
Okay.
We can also take them to a different hospital. The
Do you have EKG and all that?
Yeah.
So that's all transmitted to the hospital?
No, it's here.
It's
When we
here.
get it, we
When you get there, you give it to them.
Yeah.
Okay. And then could you tell me about the instrument panel?
Well, I can't really tell you much because it's all off right now.
Oh, okay. Well, just we'll take a look at it.
Yeah.
Okay. So, and it's all glass.
Yeah, this is basically like what I call the Tesla of helicopters.
Okay.
It's the most advanced EMS helicopter.
What year?
This was built in 2020.
Okay, so it's only 4 years old.
It's actually less than that because it was refurbished for about a year and a half while they put in all the medical equipment and
Okay.
outfitted it for EMS.
So that's the cyclic.
Cyclic, yep.
Yeah, and your
pedals.
Pedals. Okay.
Yeah, and then the collective.
And the collective's there.
Yeah.
So, how much training does it take to learn to fly a helicopter?
A lot. It's more of an hourly thing. You have to have a certain amount of hours.
Yeah.
You have to have at least a commercial rating.
Yeah.
Instrument rating.
Yeah.
And you have to have 2,000 hours of flight time in helicopters.
And what led you to do helicopters rather than airplanes?
Brain fart.
Yeah.
Long-term brain fart.
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't really have a good answer for that.
Yeah.
I just did it.
Yeah.
I became bored with my job.
And then you have to do recurring training and all that.
For us, it's twice a year.
Yeah.
For most pods, it's once.
Do you use a simulator? Or?
Yes, we actually do.
Okay.
Yeah, we go to Denver.
Okay, cool. That's a beautiful helicopter.
Yeah, it's a good one.
Yeah.
Yeah, we love this one.
Okay. Well, thank you for your time. I really appreciate it. Bye-bye. Okay, so now we're going to head over to look at some of the other airplanes, and then we'll do the cars, and then I'll be out of here. So the red aircraft in front of us, that's a STEARMAN. So we'll just get a look at the instrument panel. So you got an altimeter, airspeed, turn bank, compass, temperature, and RPMs. And then it sticks just below the compass. Okay, and then this is a Veronica TAL 1941. And we got a Cherokee 180. Bunch of nice motorcycles. Super Cub. Is it okay to, can I go, I just want to get the panel. Yeah, okay. Here's the instrument panel. Rate of climb, airspeed on the left, altimeter, oil pressure, oil temp, RPMs. You can see the stick, 2 places. And they got a skylight top. This is a motor glider. We'll see if we can find out what it is.
That's like over the tree. Right, yeah. Because the other thing is,
it says Sundancer on it, Light Sport. And this is an RV7. It's from Santa Barbara.
piece of luggage at the back.
Sure. So it's got a glass cockpit. This tailcraft we did last year. We interviewed the pilot who's still here. And then we got a Comanche. I mean a Mooney. How you doing? Yeah, last year. This is your Mooney.
Actually, it's his. He was available.
Okay.
You want to talk to the owner?
Okay. Well, so just tell us what you got here. I'm Mark. I'm with Golden State AV Videos. It's on YouTube. So just tell me what you got here.
Well,
And what's your name?
My name's Ira.
Ira? And you're from?
I'm Visalia.
Okay.
And this is a 1970 Mooney M20E.
Okay.
It's got the 200 fuel-injected horsepower motor.
Okay.
It's retractable landing gear. It's what they call a high-performance type plane because
Yeah.
it's a constant speed propeller as well. It's adjustable.
Right.
And
And aerodynamically smooth,
it's
right?
aerodynamic, and over here, this plane has a laminar flow wing,
Okay.
which is no rivets from
Yeah.
here all the way back to here,
Okay.
which makes it more slick,
Okay.
makes it faster.
Well, they're known for being fast.
Yeah, they're known
Yeah.
for being fast and also for the economy as well.
Yes.
You get more bang for the buck, because they don't burn a lot of fuel.
Why is that?
Well, because the aerodynamics,
Oh, a lot less resistance.
less resistance, and that you can adjust the propeller RPM speed to
Right.
accommodate, economy.
So what does it burn an hour?
I can get it down to about 7.5 at high altitude,
Yeah.
and on the average about 9.5 to 10 gallons an hour.
Where do you normally go?
Well, Wyoming, been all up and down the coast,
Yeah.
north and down south, LA, San Diego, so.
Cool. Yeah, I'll just take a shot of the panel if you don't mind.
No, go right ahead.
Yeah. Beautiful airplane. Yeah. Okay, so you got all the gauges.
Can you grab that post of it? There you go. There you go. Better enough.
Yeah, but you have a glass cockpit too.
Well, it's semi.
Yeah.
It's not total glass. It does have digital gauges. It's got the glass GPS.
Yeah.
But it's the updated mechanical instruments in a lot of them too.
Yes.
But yeah.
Very nice. Okay, thanks. I'm glad we finally got to get this one. Okay, thanks again. Okay. Hey, Chris, just you want to give me just a quick little overview? Well, let's go on the other side so I can shoot the panel.
Get on video.
Oh, you're not? Okay.
Let's take a video of the plane.
I'll just go around it. I know what you told me. And 150 knots, right?
30, Comanche.
Okay. Okay. Okay, and I'll just take a shot of the panel. And you restored it. It took you about a year to restore it. And what does it burn an hour? Let's do it.
It's 16, 8 per side.
Okay. All right, let me.
Around, you get to climb up on the black part of the wing, and
Okay.
it goes up the panel.
Okay, cool.
Take a look.
I'll go around. Thank you, Chris. We just gotta climb up on the wing to get a shot of the panel. So you got some glass cockpit instruments and some analog gauges. Nice restoration. 4-place seating. Very roomy. Okay, now we've done most of the airplanes. Let's just do some of the cars, and that'll be it. Thank you. Okay, so we've got a Chevy Nova. Chevelle. Firebird. Nicely restored Mustang. (1970) VW, beautiful restoration. It's a Ford Galaxy, 65, convertible. Bunch of Corvettes. '58 DeSoto. Won a bunch of trophies.